Welcome. Now we are going to do the hands-on. First, we'll do the hands-on for the non-technical people, and then we'll do the hands-on for technical people using Python. Still, I request you that even though you're a technical person, please see this, how this work happens through UI, so that you can start from here, instead of directly from Python. Let's go. I have just opened Gemini. You can use any LLM of your choice, And how are you going to do? This is the first. So this is a system prompt, which we have already explained previously. And here we are telling to LLM that please answer based on the attached file only, and not from any other sources. If the question cannot be answered based on the provided file context, then say unable to answer. So let me give the file to LLM. You can use any file of your choice, any source of your choice. I have downloaded this file from Wikipedia just for demonstration, and you can use anything of your private files. And what is this file? This is the file. This is the approximately 24-page files all about the world populations. So let me go and run it over here. So I've just run it. I have not asked any question. So I'm just, I'll ask the question next. So let me see that what are the questions, few of the questions. I have written this in advance so that I do not waste your time. But definitely you can write the question on your own. It is still understanding the document. And the way, if you see that this thinking process, this gives you idea that how LLM really works. So internally, by the time it is thinking, let me also explain. This is called COT, chain of thought. So it is doing step by step, and that step need to be done. Whether all the steps need to be done, few steps need to be done. That is what all the decisions are happening over here. Besides this, it is also making sure that it is reading the file which you have attached, approximately 24 files. Now I think it is reading. Okay. Now it has said that yes, I can do it. Now I have put the question: when world population reached 1 billion? This is the one question I've asked. Let us see what the answer it gives. Okay. It is still thinking. Yes, those steps it was doing it. Refine. Yes, it has done it. It is saying world population reached in 1804. So let us see that whether it is true. 1804. I'm just trying to search with 1804. Mentioned somewhere. Yes, over here. So it is mentioned over here. Okay. Now let us see. These are the world population projections, and you know this projections has given for all these years. And let us see that whether it can really read the table as well, because here the text and table both are at the same places. So we know the 2037, it is approximately 9 billion. So let us see that what should be the answer, what it gives. What is projection of population in 2037? Let us see what it gives the answers. And see, first we'll try 1 and 2 questions for which we already know the answers, but definitely you can try any questions of your choice. And my request will be that you have at least 2 to 3 questions. See, it is saying 9 billion. Okay. And this is also giving the context when it's 9 billion, I think over here. Now, for 2040 or 45, it is not having anything over here. So let us see what it really gives. 40 or 45, let me put it in that way. So these questions which I have put it over here, let me copy paste and put it, say 45. Let me see what it gives. I hope 2045 is not there in our document. Let me see. I'm searching this 2045. There is something there. What is this? Uni. Okay, something is there. Something is there. I think I should change the question next time. Okay, it is able to do it. It is able to figure it out from the page 12. I think this is where page 12. Okay, yeah, it is able to do it. Now let me take probably 2041. I'm just trying to see that which is not there here. 2041, something is not there. I'm trying to put that now. I'm trying to put 2041. Let me see what answer it gives. And also PCRC, at this moment, I'm not going to explain that how the RAG works in the detail. But if something is not there, somehow it will give you some answer. It will give you the some answer, okay? See, that is right. 2041, it is not there. But based on the some things around 40, that nearest is this 2040. That is perfectly fine, perfectly fine. Now let us know something is not there. Let's say 2137. So it means approximately more than 112 years from now. Let's see what it really gives. This is where I want you to do the play with your data. What it really gives. I know that probably even I do not know what will be the population this time. It is 112 hours night. This is 2025. Good. This is what I was expecting. If you do not know, say you do not. But it's good. This is what the uh, this is the RAG hands-on for the non-technical people. You can attach more documents and you can play it. You can also attach multiple documents. It will take care of it. That's all for this one. And thanks for joining it. Have a nice day to all of you. Take care. Bye bye.